Welcome to our English grocery shopping tutorial. Today, we'll help you learn phrases you need to shop in English with ease. We'll explore the store, talk to store staff, and discover the world of grocery shopping conversations together. First, let's grab a shopping cart. When looking for a shopping cart, you can use various phrases to ask for assistance or directions. Here are some phrases you can use. Excuse me, where can I find a shopping cart? Could you please tell me where can I find a shopping cart? Or where can I get a shopping cart in this store? Let's look at an example. Excuse me, where can I find a shopping cart?
You can find shopping carts near the entrance.
Thank you. Sometimes you may need help finding a specific item. When you are looking for a specific item while shopping, you can use various phrases to ask for help or directions. Let's imagine you want to buy olive oil. I'm looking for olive oil. Can you help me find it? I'm trying to find olive oil. Do you know where it is? Or you can simply ask, where can I find olive oil? Let's look at an example. I'm looking for olive oil. Can you help me find it?
Of course, it's in aisle 4, right this way.
Thank you so much. Next, let's learn how to ask about prices. When you want to ask about prices while shopping in English, there are several phrases you can use to inquire about the cost of products. How much is this? How much does this cost? What is the price of this? Let's look at an example. Excuse me, how much is this bag of rice? It costs 250 rupees. Great, I'll take it. Now let's learn how to tell the weight of items. When discussing the weight of items while shopping for groceries in English, you can use various phrases to convey the weight you want. Here are some phrases for telling the weight of items. Let's imagine you want to buy a kilogram of apples. I'd like a kilogram of apples, please. Could you weigh 1 kilogram of apples for me, please? I need 1 kilogram of apples, please. Let's look at an example. I'd like a kilogram of apples, please. Sure, I'll weigh them for you. Thank you. Finally, let's talk about payment methods. When discussing payment methods in English, there are several phrases you can use to convey your preferred way of paying. Here are some phrases to express your payment method. I'd like to pay with. I'll be using. I prefer for payment, please. Let's look at an example. That will be 2,550 rupees. How would you like to pay? I'll pay with my credit card, please. Sure, go ahead. And there you have it. With these phrases, you'll be a pro at shopping for groceries in English. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.